Yo, what's going on, guys? So check it out. I got asked a question, and the question was, Nate, how do I adapt? How do I grow when everyone around me don't believe in me? And the answer is very, very simple, right? It's not that people don't believe in you. It's not that people don't want to see you do great, right? There's two levels to this. The first level is people are tired of hearing you talking, right? You done a lot of talking in your life where it's, I'm going to become successful. I'm going to make 6 figures. I'm going to get our family out the hood. I'm going to get this car. I'm going to go on these trips, right? These things sound great. But the problem is behind talking has to be effort, right? And behind effort has to be action. So the people that's close to you, it's not that they don't believe in you. It's just that they're tired of hearing you talk. See, you have to learn how to move in silence and allow your success to be the noise at the end of the day, right? Many people can do talking. We get motivated, right? We get hyped. We go to events. We get certain conversations. We get on this all-time high where it's like, yo, I'm going to crush it. I'm going to do these things. I'm going to make these things happen in my business. I'm going to make this happen, this happen, this happens. And then boom, reality hits, right? Life hits. Motivation lasts 72 hours. If you don't have a form of implementation inside of your body, you're going to find yourself stuck and hitting the wall over and over again. And so you think people don't believe in you. It's not that they don't believe in you. It's that they're tired of hearing you talk. How many people have you promised success to? How many people have you promised this is going to be the one? It's going to be this company. How many times have you promised people this is the idea, this is the invention? How many promises have you made that you have not fulfilled yet, right? So it's not that they don't want to see you, it's that your garden is full of unempty promises already, right? So you have to literally be the gardener inside of your business, inside of your life. And it's not saying that your garden is not equipped enough to become successful, because it is. It's just that you have to go back and replant some new seeds and expect a greater harvest this time. So stop thinking that, you know, everyone's against you and no one wants to see you become successful. You have to realize you've been doing a lot of talking, right? You don't talk to a lot of people about a lot of different things, and people are ready to see you become successful. People are ready to see you win, right? People are ready to see you gravitate and go to the next level. The reality is they need you to hit that next level so that they can hit their level. You are their breakthrough, right? But you have to remember that at the end of the day, if all you're doing is talking and there's nothing behind it, people are going to be left with unbroken promises. They're going to be hearing you talk over and over again. So instead of telling them, hey, this is the one, hey, this is going to be the next best thing, or hey, this is the thing that's going to change me in your life, let it happen. Do it. Do it, and watch your action steps create breakthrough steps for the people that surround you at the end of the day. Peace. Let go. Come on.